Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to zoom in video here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Zooming in on a video in Canva is a simple process that can help you focus on specific parts of the video for better clarity or emphasizing particular elements within the frame. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the project that you are working with. If you haven't already, just go to the templates. You can choose from business, social media, education, and video, or just click the create a design to start from scratch. Now here, once you have uploaded a video, you can do so by clicking on the Uploads tab here. Go to Videos, and these are some of your options to upload a video. Click on the three dots here. You can choose Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, and Google Drive. If you don't have any videos for you to import, all you're gonna do is go to the video section here. This video. Now, if you by any chance can't find the video on the left pane of your dashboard, you see there's an X, right? For example, you can't find the video here. All you have to do is click on the apps and search for videos. If you click on the video, it will definitely be visible here on the left side panel of your dashboard. For example, I'm going to be working with this specific video. And for you to be able to zoom in, all you're going to do is click on the slider here. You see, when you slide it to the right, it maximizes and it has like a number on it. You're zooming in until to the max of 500%. If you slide it to the left, what will happen is you're zooming out until like 10%. Okay, so these are some of your options. Zoom out to slide left, zoom in to slide right. Now, you see, you also have an option here that says zoom. These numbers, if you click on it, you have an option for 300, 200 if you don't want to slide, like 125, 175, 50, 25, 10, and of course it has also a fit and a fill. All right, now you can also use your computer's function. If you press Control and the plus sign, you would be able to zoom in easily, and if you press the Control minus, what will happen is you would be able to zoom out of your video here in Canva. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.